ATN Excite 2 how-to video. In this video, we will be updating the firmware for our Excite 2. To start, you will need a freshly formatted micro SD card. Go to www.atncorp.com. In the top right, you'll see the word firmware in light green. Scroll down the page till you see Excite 2 HD firmware with the current version. Click the blue link and this will download to your download folder. From there, you will need to copy the bin file to the micro SD card, then insert it in your Excite 2. When you power your Excite 2 on, it will immediately ask if you wish to update the firmware. Arrow to yes and click OK. This will begin the firmware update process. Depending on the firmware version, this may take a few minutes. Once the firmware version is completed updating, the Excite 2 will reboot. It is very important to ensure you have fully charged batteries in your Excite 2 while performing this update. It is not recommended to do the update with an external USB battery pack as the cable may be knocked loose. If after reboot, the Excite 2 hangs for an extended period of time, go ahead and remove your batteries and reinsert them and turn the Excite back on again. After rebooting, your Excite might ask to update the firmware again. Arrow to no and click enter. You will see the firmware update successful message. Click OK and proceed to doing a factory restore